Join me, Andy Cook, and discover the heart of Utah's breathtaking desert in our Hanksville Photography Workshop. We'll journey through a world sculpted by erosion, revealing surreal landscapes unlike anywhere else. And as darkness falls, experience the magic of the night sky. On one evening, we'll photograph the stunning Milky Way, learning techniques to blend foregrounds captured at dusk with the star-filled expanse above. This isn't just about capturing moments. It's about seeing the land differently. You'll learn to harness the painterly light of the desert, from soft dawn hues to dramatic contrasts, and understand how lines and shapes guide your eye through powerful compositions. While all of these images are ground-based, this is a drone-friendly workshop. The wide-open terrain around Hanksville offers incredible opportunities for drone photography. Join us this April for comfortable temperatures, stunning light, and brilliant night skies, the ideal season to experience the beauty of Hanksville. Are you ready for an amazing fine art journey through the desert Southwest? Click the link in the description below to visit our website to learn more and register for our Hanksville Photography Workshop.